Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, today I don't know, I'll try I'll use powder eyeshadow for my eyebrows today. Do you like my nails, by the way? I just got them done. If you like a tutorial on how to do the nails, I could do that too. So I'm just starting with the eyebrows. The brushes, just wait, because I washed them, I cleaned them, so. Here. Know why the camera keeps shutting off. Eyes first. Just a little bit. Find it. And today, I'm gonna use the Tarte Clay Play palette, and it's face shaping palette. So I used my eyebrows already I used the color Onyx for my eyebrows already, just using it, and it was really good. I'm gonna use the Buxom eyeshadow palette, Velvet Snow on the bottom. So I'm just taking this. It's a little bit better. So I'm taking it and I'm just putting it on my crease. And then I'm going to take the top color too, which is Diamond Darling.
Hello.
Dripping in diamonds, and highlight the middle and the teardrop. So I'm going to take tip. Oh, wow. And then I'm just going to highlight the middle here. And then do my teardrop. Okay, so now I'm gonna do Rollin' in Dough with the Chocolate Gold palette. Now I'm gonna put the foundation using Too Faced Major Hangover primer. And I'm just putting it on my face. Okay, now that I put that, it's not done yet. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm gonna put on the foundation. I'm putting it on. Like that. I'm using Too Faced, the pressed powder, translucent powder, just to set my face before I put on the contour. So just brushing it everywhere. Should I get my neck? Okay, so now that I put that on, I'm gonna use this palette now. Now I'm gonna sculpt my face with the palette. First, I'll use Terracotta. I'm gonna use Timber first. I think I'm just gonna do it like that. And then I'll just do here. That. And yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll do one here then. And then I'll do one on this side. Oops, which one? Timber. Woo! That's a little bit too much. And then I'll take whoops. I'll take solstice and I'll put it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna actually use this spread here. Just like that. To erase all the fine lines. Let me see. That. Wow. Okay. That looks good. Okay, and then do it right here. Whoa, I love this palette. So nice with the desert. Just, you know, set everything up. Wow. And then same on the other side. Just go here. And make sure you hit the jawline. And a little bit up here. Does this look like a bedroom look? Wow, I'm so shook. And then, just like, yeah, I get my neck first, so it's the same. Okay, and then with the Crystal Leanne, the middle one, and I'm just putting a little bit of highlight here on my nose. This. And my chin. So now I'm going to put black eyeliner. So I'm going to use a liquid liner, and it's made in Japan. And yeah, it's in the color black. So I'm going to put this on. Cute. I love this eyeliner though. totally loving this look. I'm just gonna use mascara. I'm gonna use the Tarteist Tarte mascara. Yes, everything I'm Tarte pencil eyeliner, and then I'm just gonna run the waterline. Okay, so I'm just gonna run the waterline. I don't know if you can see. Wow. Taking it and just going like that. Taking a little bit of it underneath. Ooh. I'm gonna finish off with my lips, and I'm gonna use YSL, and this color, it just said Rouge pour Couture. That's what it says. And it's like a peach. Rosy pink. The NARS Duo blush, and it's called Desire Amour. So we're gonna go a little bit very lightly. See how this is? And go over, wow, on top of my highlight. So it's like a shade of pink. Them off. And then I'll just brush it out a little bit. Just blend it all out. Make sure you're not getting too much. That's my bedroom look. And yeah, I'm gonna put this on because it's not running off. So this is the All Nighter Urban Decay that I just sprayed. And yeah, that's like, you know, the Fenty. Just right in the middle. Really good though. It goes on so smoothly. It goes on so smoothly, and the brush is like easy to apply. I love it. You can get that cat eye. Yeah, so get this. I don't know where you can get this, but this is it's just called Love Liner Liquid. It's one of those Japanese stores. But yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe, please like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah. It's just water and lime. My
Ooh. Yes, what do you think? I thought you were just like, woo!
Yeah, I totally love this look.